Hey strangers, it's been a minute. I'm excited to be here. I know it's been a long time. For that, I apologize. I've had a lot going on. But with some free time and some inspiration and some encouragement from some people in my life, I've decided to sit down and film. So excuse this hot mess of a look, but I'm about to beat this face. Hi, my name is Laren and welcome to my channel. I'm such a bad YouTuber. I don't know where to start. I may just go ahead and do foundation first. Alright, so here's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to go do my foundation and my base and my brows. Also, before we get into today's video, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I'm going to be right back, and then we're going to get this video started because I'm going to show you how to create an eye look. It's going to be mind-blowing. It's going to blow all the minds. Okay, I did my foundation, my brows, and now I'm baking. If you remember watching my videos in the beginning, baking was one thing that I didn't do because I said that I had dry skin, which I still do, and it just didn't work for me. Well, I wasn't doing it the right way. 1, I wasn't using the right thing. 2, now I'm using the right thing and doing it the right way. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter setting powder in translucent, and it's incredible. This is really good setting powder. I also have the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So comparing the two, I think this one's a little more drying. This one I think works better. Plus it's cheaper. So I don't feel bad for using very much. And you get a little bit more in there. I think it's like $7 to $9, either $7 or $9, I can't remember. That's working pretty well for me. I'm kind of excited. I did already prime my eyes. I am going to set them with a powder. I'll just do a little bit in the crease. Although I don't guess it really matters. It's 7:20 at night on a Friday and I'm not going anywhere. So, brain juice. But what I think I just want to play around with today, we'll see how it goes. It'll be like a first impressions type thing. The Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal and Boss Babe bundle book here. So you open it up and I love how it's got like the holographic lettering in there. I think that is awesome. And it literally opens like a book. So the packaging is like a soft matte packaging. So when you have it open, you pull out the little tabs here. I just have shoved mine in there, so they're usually not this hard to get out. This is the Party Animal one. You just pull it out, you lift the little tab right here, and then it comes out. So this is what the little unicarton looks like. So pretty. It's got like some holographic colors on there. When you open it, I always have a hard time opening these. So these are like the little mini bundles. These are $19 if you purchase them individually, or they're $30 if you buy the bundle book. I was like, done. I'm buying the bundle book. I just keep calling it a bundle book, but I think I can just call it bundle. I don't know why I'm calling it bundle book. But anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the Party Animal one, so it's got some color on there. It's got her stuff on the back. So you open it up, it's got a mirror in there. Look at these shadows. Are these shadows not incredible? I think they're really pretty. So this one, Hustle Hard. Pull it out. This one's called Boss Babe. And this one is more, I'll show you the outside. This one looks like it's gonna be more of the neutral with a pop of color type thing. I really like this one too. Same type of packaging, same material. Also has a mirror too, and look at those. So pretty. Let the makeup lords be with us. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing with this is starting in the inner corner with damage control, using a little bit of karaoke, and then moving down to hungover. You ever just stare at a palette and just let something come to you? So I'm taking just a little bit of damage control. I'm gonna focus this on the inner portion of my eye. And it's okay if it looks shitty in the beginning. Don't worry. Now I'm gonna dip into karaoke. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, now I'm gonna go into hungover. That looks so cool. I'm gonna take the brush that I used for karaoke. I'm gonna go back in with that one just a little bit. It just doesn't look as pigmented as it could. It's always fun playing because like I'm not comfortable enough to wear something like this at work. So it's always fun to just sit down and play. I'm just going over each and every one just to kind of build that color back up and like slowly blend them into one another. So fun! Kind of feather out the edges with that translucent powder so it doesn't look like I messed up. It looks like a watercolor masterpiece. That looks really cool. I'm gonna go into the other eye just like this one off camera and I'll be right back. Wow. Wow, I don't even know what to do now. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I look kind of bland right now, but that's gonna change. So I think this looks so good, I don't even know what to put in the middle. I love it so much. I don't know what to do now. What if I just like it like this? Okay, let's do it. I'm cutting the crease. Got my tools. I'm gonna have to get up close and personal. I suck at this, by the way. It's not the best, but at least I did it. So it's all good. Except I don't know what to do now. What do I do? Do I take the pink? No. Do I take the green? I just don't want to mess up this like watercolor tie-dye vibe I got going on right now. Maybe a glass of brain juice will help. Go with green. It's just fast like lightning. Green. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. A little tiny packing brush. I don't know how this is gonna work, so I'm just like kind of putting it on this brush here. I'm gonna put it. Oh, yeah, there's fallout. Figured this was gonna happen. He's gonna just blow it up. Did you see that? Yes.
Tonight's the biggest blood moon in 100 years.
A blood moon?
And it's also a lunar eclipse, and you can see Mars.
Where can we see it?
Outside.
When?
At night.
Be warned, there is fallout. It's the look. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go over that purple a little bit, but first I'm gonna use this on the other eye. All right, fine. The green was a good idea. I'm gonna go back with Hangover. And I'm gonna kind of like blend that a little bit, make it a little better. it's just like a highlighter smoky eye. And I'm down for it. Oh my god, that looks awesome. I'm getting so much better. Woo! I'm ready to do the bottom. I'm gonna do the orange on the bottom. This is a party animal look. Literally. I'm gonna use the Shadow Dranks. I think I'm gonna use that on the bottom, or maybe like in my inner corner right here. Maybe I'll do that. That would look really cool. I almost want to take the blue and do it on the outside. What to do. I gotta wash brushes after this. We're gonna go in with so I'm kind of like wisping it out a little bit. May have been just a little bit too far, but it's fine. This is the finished look. I went ahead and finished up my face, and let me just go over real quick what I think about Party Animal palette. The colors were a little challenging for me to work with. It took me some extra time to like build it up and blend it out, and I kind of felt like some of it would just wipe away, but I found that when packing it on with a brush instead of blending it would work a lot better as far as staying put type thing, you know. So I finished my entire face. I did, you know, the whole shebang, and I'm obsessed. I just paired a ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Bash. I just thought it would look cute. That's what makeup's all about, right? Having fun with it. So other than that, I absolutely think these shadows are worth it. I love them, and I'm so happy with the way that this turned out. It was really exciting because I don't normally play with colors like this, so it was really exciting to do a look with some colors and see what I come out with. So let me know what you guys think about this. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this look slash tutorial. This was a lot of fun for me to just sit down and play, and I know it's been a while, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to see more, please let me know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!